Greetings of the day. This is Hitesh. In today's class, we will discuss the questions of exercise 4.2. Okay, so let's get started. In today's class, we will start exercise 4.2. Question number 1 is which one of the following option is true and why? The equation is y is equal to 3x plus 5 has a unique solution. First option. The second option is only two solution and the third option is infinitely many solution. Okay, so the solution is, so now we know that the linear equation two variables has infinitely many solution, so the option third is true. Okay, option third is true, infinitely many solution, many solution. Okay, because for every value of x there is a corresponding value y and vice versa. Means suppose you are putting the value of x, so then you can get the value of y from this equation. You can take any values of x. Okay, and you can also putting the value of y and then you can get the value of x from this equation. Okay, so reason is because for every value of x, for every value of x there is a corresponding value of y, there is a corresponding value of y and vice versa. Okay, question number 1 is complete. Okay, now question number 2 is write four solution for each of the following equation. The first part is given 2x plus y is equal to 7. The solution is, okay, so we know that the linear equation two variables has infinite many solution, but in this question we have to find only four solution. Okay, so taking x is equal to 0, taking x is equal to 0, okay, so put the value of x 0 here, so it will 2 multiply 0 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, so from this equation 2 multiply 0 0 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, so the value y will be 7. Okay, so x equal to 0 and y is equal to 7, it is the first solution of this equation. Okay, so the first solution of this equation is 0 comma 7. Okay, this is the first solution. Okay, second, now I am taking x is equal to 1. Okay, taking x is equal to 1. Okay, so put the value of x in this equation, so it will 2 multiply 1 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 2 multiply 1 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now transpose, so it will negative, so value y will be 7 minus 2, that is 5. Okay, so the second solution of this equation is 1 comma 5. Okay, the first solution 0 comma 7, the second solution is 1 comma 5, means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. Okay, now the third solution is, now I am taking the value of x 2. Okay, so put this value here, so it will 2 multiply 2 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus y is equal to 7. Now transpose, so it will negative, so value y will be 7 minus 4, that is 3. So the third solution is 2 comma 3. Okay, the third solution of this equation is 2 and 3, means value of x 2 and value of y is 3. Okay, now we will find the fourth solution of this equation. Okay, now I am taking x is equal to 3. Okay, so put this value in this equation, so it will 2 multiply 3 plus y is equal to 7. Okay, 2 3 is 6, so 6 plus y is equal to 7. So the value y will be 7 minus 6, that is 1. Okay, so the fourth solution of this equation is 3 comma 1. Okay, so we have calculated the four solution of this equation. The first solution is 0, 7 means x equal to 0, y is equal to 7. Second solution is 1, 5. Third solution is 2, 3 and the fourth solution is 3, 1. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, the second part of this question is pi x plus y is equal to 9. Okay, the solution is, तो first I am taking the value of x 0, ठीक है, taking x is equal to 0, ठीक है, so put the value of x 0 in this equation, so it will pi multiply 0 plus y is equal to 9, ठीक है, so it will pi into 0 0 plus y is equal to 9, so the value of y is equal to 9, ठीक है, so the first solution is 0 and 9, ठीक है. First solution of this equation is 0, 9 means x equal to 0 and y is equal to 9, ठीक है. The second solution will be, ठीक है, now I am taking value of x 1, ठीक है, so put the value of x equal to 1 in this equation, so it will pi multiply 1 plus y is equal to 9, okay, pi multiply 1 pi plus y is equal to 9, ठीक है. Now transpose, so it will negative, so value of y will be 9 minus pi, ठीक है. No need to put the value of pi in this equation, okay. So value of y we will find in terms of pi, ठीक है. So the second solution is 1, 9 minus pi, okay, means x is equal to 1 and the value of y is equal to 9 minus pi, okay. The third solution is, now we will take the value of x is equal to 2, ठीक है, so put the value of x equal to in this equation, so it will pi multiply 2 plus y is equal to 9, 2 multiply pi 2 pi plus y is equal to 9, now transpose 2 pi, so it will negative, so value of y will be 9 minus 2 pi, okay. So the third solution of this equation is 2, 9 minus 2 pi, okay. So this is the third solution of this equation, ठीक है. The fourth solution, now I am taking value of x is equal to 3, ठीक है, so put the value of x equal to 3 in this equation, so it will pi multiply 3 plus y is equal to 9, ठीक है, so it will 3 into pi 3 pi plus y is equal to 9, okay, transpose, so it will negative, so value of y will be 9 minus 3 pi, ठीक है. So the fourth solution of this equation is 3, 9 minus 3 pi, okay. The first solution is 0, 9 means x equal to 0, y is equal to 9. Second solution is 1, 9 minus pi. Third solution is 2, 9 minus 2 pi. And the fourth solution is 3, 9 minus 3 pi, okay. Now the third part of this question, it is x is equal to 4y, okay. The solution is, the first solution will be, we are taking the value of y is equal to 0, ठीक है. At the starting we are taking the value of y is equal to 0, so put this value in this equation, so it will x is equal to 4 multiply 0 means 0, ठीक है. So the first solution of this equation is 0, 0 means the value of x and y both are 0, ठीक है. The second solution, now we will take the value of y is equal to 1, okay, so put the value of y is equal to 1 in this equation, so the value of x will be x is equal to 4 multiply 1 means 4, ठीक है. So the second solution of this equation will be 4, 1, ठीक है, means value of x is equal to 4 and the value of y is equal to 1, okay. The third solution, now taking y is equal to 2, ठीक है, so put this value in this equation, so it will x is equal to 4 multiply 2 means 4 2s are 8, so the value of x we have got 8, ठीक है. So the third solution will be 8, 2, ठीक है, value of x 8 and value of y it is 2, ठीक है. The fourth solution, Now we will take the value y is equal to 3. ठीक है, so the value of x will be x is equal to 4 multiply 3 means 12. So value of x we have got 12. ठीक है, so the fourth solution will be 3, sorry, the fourth solution will be 12 comma 3 means value of x is equal to 12 and value of y it is equal to 3. Okay, so I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, now question number third is check which of the followings are the solution of the equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 and which are not. Okay, so in this question the equation is given x minus 2y is equal to 4. ठीक है, in this equation the LHS part is x minus 2y and the RHS part is 4. ठीक है, तो first we will check the point 0 2 is the solution of this equation or not. Okay, first we will check for the first point. ठीक है, so here the value of x equal to 0 and the value of y it is 2. ठीक है, LHS part of this equation is x minus 2y. ठीक है, the LHS part of this equation is x minus 2y and the RHS part is 4. ठीक है, so first we will put the values of x equal to 0 and y equal to here. Okay, so put x equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. ठीक है, so it will be 0 minus 2 multiply 2, so it will 0 minus 4 which is equal to minus 4. ठीक है, so minus 4 does not equal to RHS part. ठीक है, so we can say कि 0 2 is not the solution of this equation. Okay, so 0 comma 2 is not the solution of this equation. Okay, right, now we will check for the second point. The second point is given 2 comma 0. The LHS part of this equation, the LHS part is x minus 2y. ठीक है, so in the second point the value of x 2 and the value of y it is 0. ठीक है, so put x equal to 2 and y is equal to 0. ठीक है, so it will be 2 minus 2 multiply 0, so it will 2 minus 0, 2 into 0 0. Okay, so 2 minus 0 it is equal to 2 which is not equal to the RHS part of. ठीक है, RHS part, so we can say कि 2 comma 0 is not the solution of this equation. So 2 comma 0 is not the solution of this equation, is not the solution of this equation. Okay, right, now we will check for the third point. The third point is given 4 comma 0, the value of x it is 4 and the value of y it is 0 here. Okay, the LHS part of this equation is x minus 2y. ठीक है, so put x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 here. Okay, so it will be 4 minus 2 multiply 0, so 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 which is equal to RHS part. ठीक है, so we can say 4 comma 0 is the solution of this equation. So 4 comma 0 is the solution of this equation. Okay, okay, now we will check for the fourth point. ठीक है, the fourth point is root 2 comma 4 root 2 means the value of x is equal to root 2 and the value of y it is equal to 4 root 2. Okay, now we will check for the fourth point. The LHS part of this equation is x minus 2y. Okay, now put the value of x is equal to root 2 and value of y it is given 4 root 2. ठीक है, so put the value, so it will root 2 minus 2 multiply 4 root 2. Okay, so it will root 2 minus 4 to the 8 so it will 8 root 2. ठीक है, root 2 minus 8 root 2 both are like terms, so it will minus 7 root 2, which is not equal to the RHS part of this equation. Okay, so root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not the solution, is not the solution of this equation, is not the solution of this equation. Okay, right, now we will check for the last point, and the last point is given 1 comma 1, means the value of x and y both is 1. ठीक है, the LHS part is x minus 2y. ठीक है, so now we will put here x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. ठीक है, so it will 1 minus 2 multiply 1, so it will 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. ठीक है, okay, and minus 1 does not equal to RHS part of this equation, so we can say 1 comma 1 is not the solution, is not the solution of this equation, solution of this equation. Okay, so I think this question is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.